Breathworks, we are here out in nature. Woo-hoo! Have this beautiful sunset we've captured this evening. Out in nature, breathing, breathworks. Welcome. This week we are talking about breathing in nature and bringing awareness to the breath. When you come out in nature, you breathe the exhalation of the trees. You take in another exhalation. So there's a cyclical motion going on. Awareness. Bring awareness to all you do. Bring awareness to your breath. When you feel like you are in a state of chaos, or you're panicking about something, or something's not quite right, check where your breathing is. Is it in your belly? Is it low down? Or is it in your chest? Just take 1 second to think, where is my breathing right now? Bring awareness to your breath. Where is your breathing? Is it in your belly or is it in your chest? Breathworks. Every week, it is a time to remind you of what nature brings. We are nature. We are awareness. And we are the breath. Without breathing, we would not be here. Without breathing, we would cease to be on this planet. So, breathworks. Remember to bring awareness to your breath. Keep breathing, and we'll see you next week.